Are you caught between choosing a townhome or a single-family house in Fairfax? You're definitely not the only one. Many people wrestle with this choice. It's about space and privacy versus affordability and upkeep. Here's the scoop. Detached homes give you more space and privacy, but they usually cost more. Townhomes often come at a lower price and require less maintenance, making them ideal for those with busy schedules. Let's look at the top 3 benefits. Townhomes typically have lower upfront costs and monthly bills. A single-family home allows for more flexibility and personalization. Both types of homes offer chances for community living and easy access to local amenities. So why compromise? Pick the lifestyle that best fits you. Are you ready to take the next step? Get in touch with Michael Falcone of Falcone Real for the expert help you need. Your dream home in Fairfax is just a call away. Reach out today. Check out the full analysis in my latest blog, link in bio, message me home, and I'll help you break it down. Let's make your next move your best one yet.